Hello, space enthusiasts. Milky Way, ever wondered what it would be like to stand on the edge of our solar system and gaze at the beautiful blue giant, Neptune? We're taking you on a journey to explore this mysterious ice giant, located a whopping 4.5 billion kilometers from our blue planet. Get ready to learn about its breathtaking rings, unusual moons, and mind-blowing surface features, and we'll also reveal how it took humans centuries to discover and study Neptune in detail. Stick around till the end, there's a mystery about Neptune that will leave you in awe. If you enjoy exploring the wonders of the universe, remember to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you never miss our space-filled adventures. Neptune is the fourth largest planet in our solar system, with an impressive equatorial diameter of around 50,000 kilometers. That makes it about 4 times larger than Earth, but it's even more massive, weighing in at 17 times the mass of our home planet. So what exactly makes Neptune an ice giant? Well, unlike the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, which are mostly hydrogen and helium, Neptune's core is surrounded by materials like water, methane, and ammonia, forming supercritical fluids. These aren't ordinary gases or liquids, instead, they're in a unique, high-energy state where they possess properties of both. Though Neptune is a dazzling sight in today's telescopes, it wasn't even officially discovered until the mid-1800s. In the early 1600s, Galileo Galilei may have actually observed Neptune, but he mistook it for a star. It wasn't until 1846, after careful calculations and observations, that Neptune was officially recognized as a planet. Interestingly, Neptune's stunning blue color inspired its name, as ancient Roman mythology celebrates Neptune as the god of the sea. However, don't be fooled, that blue hue isn't from vast oceans but from the methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and scatters blue. Did you know Neptune isn't alone out there? It has at least 14 known moons, each with its own unique characteristics. The most famous of them all is Triton, which is about 2,700 kilometers in diameter, slightly smaller than Earth's moon. But here's where it gets interesting. Triton actually orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation, making it one of the few large moons in the solar system with a retrograde orbit. This peculiar orbit suggests that Triton may have originally been a dwarf planet captured by Neptune's gravity. Neptune's distance from the Sun means it takes a staggering 165 Earth years to complete one orbit. Imagine celebrating your first Neptune year birthday only after 165 Earth years. But that's not all. Neptune also experiences seasonal changes, just like Earth. However, instead of lasting a few months, Neptune's seasons stretch over 40 years each. While Earthlings experience shorter seasons, anyone on Neptune would live through decades of one climate before seeing the next shift. Due to its great distance from the Sun, Neptune receives very little solar energy, resulting in surface temperatures that barely rise above -218 degrees Celsius. But it's not uniformly freezing. While the outer atmosphere remains icy, the planet's core reaches searing temperatures of up to 7,000 degrees Celsius. This enormous contrast has puzzled scientists, as it suggests some internal mechanism is generating heat from within. Our first close look at Neptune came in 1989, when NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft made its flyby, capturing stunning images and groundbreaking data. For the first time, humanity glimpsed Neptune's rings and discovered that it has its own mysterious ring system. Unlike Saturn's vibrant rings, Neptune's rings are faint and primarily made of microscopic dust particles, likely debris from impacts on Neptune's moons. Voyager 2 also gave us the first close-up images of Triton, where scientists observed active geysers spewing nitrogen into space. And while we might think Voyager 2's mission ended there, the spacecraft is still out there, exploring the far reaches of our solar system. Unlike the famous rings of Saturn, Neptune's rings are much fainter and sparser. Photos reveal that Neptune's ring system consists of thin bands, with 2 main rings being most prominent. These are thought to be made of dark, fine dust particles, possibly from past collisions on Neptune's moons. It's incredible to think that these small dust particles are held in place around a planet as massive as Neptune. Among Neptune's moons is Hippocamp, the tiniest and faintest of them all, discovered in 2013 by the Hubble Space Telescope. With its small size and dim appearance, it was missed by Voyager 2 during its flyby, yet it holds an important place among Neptune's family of moons. Experts suspect Hippocamp might be a fragment of the larger moon Proteus, which was chipped off during a past impact. Imagine this little moon orbiting Neptune like a cosmic puzzle piece. Images from Voyager 2 and modern telescopes show Neptune's rich blue color and swirling clouds, believed to be largely made of methane gas. The planet has prominent, fast-moving clouds that throw visible shadows on Neptune's surface, hinting at fierce winds and turbulent weather patterns. Some images even reveal shadows cast by clouds, suggesting these clouds are not only high but massive. This dynamic atmosphere adds to Neptune's mysterious charm. Despite its coldness, Neptune has the fastest winds recorded in our solar system, reaching speeds over 1,100 miles per hour. Apart from Triton and Hippocamp, Neptune's moons offer fascinating stories of their own. The moon Nereid, discovered back in 1949, has one of the most eccentric orbits in the solar system. And Proteus, discovered by Voyager 2, stands out with its irregular shape, unlike the more spherical moons we're familiar with. Named after mythological sea deities, each of Neptune's moons paints a unique picture of the ice giant's cosmic neighborhood. We hope you enjoyed this journey to Neptune. Which part fascinated you the most, the eerie rings, the icy moon Triton, or the mind-bending seasons that last 40 years? Let us know your favorite Neptune fact in the comments below. And if you loved this cosmic adventure, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Together, we'll continue exploring the wonders of our universe, one planet at a time. Milky Way.